What you're looking at is the most confusing car of 2026. From the outside, it looks like a rugged, mud-eating off-roader designed to fight the Ford Bronco. But on the inside, it's more comfortable than a Mercedes S-Class and smarter than a Tesla. This is the 2026 BYD Leopard Titanium 7. It's the mid-size beast that bridges the gap between the hardcore Leopard 5 and the ultra-luxury Leopard 8. We're talking about 483 horsepower, a 1,300-kilometer range, and a built-in smart drone system that can launch from the roof at 25 kilometers per hour to scout the road ahead. Is this the perfect one-car solution for the modern family? Or has BYD finally made a car that tries to do too much? Today, we're spending deep diving into every sensor, every motor, and that wild titanium design to see if this is the new king of the $40,000 SUV segment. To understand the Titanium 7, you have to understand the brand. Fang Cheng, literally Formula Leopard, is BYD's professional sub-brand. Until now, they've been known for the DMO platform, heavy ladder-frame chassis built for rock crawling. But for 2026, BYD realized that 90% of SUV buyers want the look of a tank, but the ride of a luxury sedan. That's why the Titanium 7 is built on a unibody Evo Plus platform. It's lighter, it's more efficient, and it's packed with the same Eye of God AI that you find in cars twice its price. BYD didn't just build another SUV, they built a tech hub on wheels. The look, it's 4.99 meters of boxy perfection. Wolfgang Egger, formerly of Audi, has leaned into the double eyelid headlight design and a massive clamshell hood. Aerodynamics, even though it looks like a brick, it has clever active air intakes and a hidden rear wiper to keep efficiency high. The small backpack, instead of a full spare tire, the Titanium 7 features a signature storage box on the back for charging cables or outdoor gear. The engine, a 1.5-liter turbo-dedicated hybrid engine acting as a range extender. The power, dual motors in the AWD version delivering 360 kilowatts or 483 horsepower. Acceleration, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. That is faster than most sports cars from 5 years ago. Range, you get 200 kilometers of pure EV range for city commuting and a staggering 1,300 kilometers total CLTC. This is the showstopper, a roof-mounted housing for a customized drone. Function, it features dynamic tracking. You can hit a button on the 15.6-inch screen, and the drone takes off, flies ahead to check for traffic or trail obstacles, and beams 4K video directly to your dashboard. Intelligent damping. Unlike the hydraulic system on the Leopard 8, this uses DiSus-C. It uses a LiDAR camera to read the road 15 meters ahead. The result? If it sees a speed bump or a pothole, it adjusts the damping in milliseconds. It's like a magic carpet ride for a car that looks this rugged.
Space utilization. BYD claims 70.9% space efficiency. With a 2.92-meter wheelbase, the legroom in the back is massive. The souffle seats. Extra thick padding with heating, ventilation, and a co-pilot leg rest that rivals business class. AI integration. The D-Link 150 system is now powered by the DeepSeek AI model, allowing for natural conversation and facial recognition payments for your coffee at the drive-thru.
The 2026 BYD Leopard Titanium 7 is a masterclass in lifestyle engineering. It's not a hardcore rock crawler like the Leopard 5, and it doesn't want to be. It's for the person who wants to look adventurous on the weekend but needs to be pampered on the 40-minute commute to work. At a starting price of roughly $33,000 to $42,000, depending on the market, it makes the traditional Western and Japanese rivals look like they are stuck in the last decade. We want to hear from you. Would you take this 483 horsepower tech beast with its built-in drone, or would you still prefer the old-school reliability of a Toyota Prado or a Ford Bronco? Drop your pick in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe. We're doing a real-world range test on the Titanium 7 next week, and you won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.